Right, something slightly different for you today. I won't be working on the MG because, like a lot of people who go on YouTube and fix cars and whatever, we've always got one or two other things on the go. Now, for me, it's my van. I've got a 2006 Vauxhall Movano van that needs one or two bits and bats doing on it. So I've been around it. I've noticed that the jacking points are in a really bad state. Why it wasn't picked up on MLT, I've got no clue. But I fixed one. So today's video will be hopefully sorting out the other one. So if you want to come with me and see how I go about that, feel free, and hopefully get this little job done, finished, out the way, never to be seen again. So I'll take you down the van and I'll show you where the problem lies. Okay, see you. Okay, so here we are, my Vauxhall Movano van, long wheelbase. It's a Renault Master to all intents and purposes. Bought it about 4 years ago, converted it not long thereafter, but just a quick look around, and there we go. Yeah, took me about 6 months. Turned out alright, didn't it go? Let's get it. So, it's on. Oh yeah, bed space, kitchen, telly, city dining thing. Got the, I don't know if you can see that, the old Chinese diesel liters in there, and a smaller fuel tank. But yeah, goes me okay. Yeah, like I say, I've had to do one of the jacking points already, so we'll have a little look at that, and then we'll go on to the other side and show you what really needs to be done.
Right, well, it's at this point that we unfortunately lost quite a bit of the footage that we were going to use, so you're going to see a lot of jump cuts in certain areas. Nevertheless, as you can see from the images, there's quite a lot of corrosion and damage in the area of the sill and of the jacket point itself. Given the age of the van, it's common for this to happen, and also given that it is a really poor design, it was going to happen, always going to happen. So what you're going to see is a lot of me welding in some new steel. So just sit back and enjoy me struggling. Right, there we have the finished sill. That's been undercoated, undersealed, respayed. We've got a bit of a lacquer on there for additional waterproofing and whatnot. So that turned out really nice. And if I can get under the van, there, I don't know if you can see it, a bit difficult. I don't have a light on it at the moment, but that is the completed jacking point, and that looks pretty decent in fairness. Alright, so I'm going to end the video there. Thanks for watching, and yeah, see you in the next one.